Once the burner assembly has been put together, you are then ready to assemble the remainder of your Island Gourmet barbecue. Begin with the gas taps on your right hand side and take the rear panel first. The panels are marked with labels and the threaded insert holes need to be face up. Push the back panel, then the front panel firmly into place, lining up the slots as you go. Fit the left hand end panel, slotting the burners into place into the tabs as shown. You then need to fit the right hand end panel by pushing firmly into the body of the barbecue. Place the trim over the top of the body and push down firmly. You will need to screw the 14 bolts into position using the Allen key provided in the package. There are 10 bolts on the inside and 4 on the outside. The bracket with the chain attached needs to be secured onto the Island Gourmet by screwing it into the hole closest to the front on the right hand side of the trim or near the serial number label. The chain will have the match holder and plate lifting tool attached. Turn the barbecue over, then push the base panel through the slots in the centre panel and then bolt through all 4 corners of the barbecue. If they're not quite aligning, just give a gentle push to the squeeze all the panels together firmly. Turn the barbecue over again and on its side, and using the Allen key you'll need to fix the waste container bracket into position on the inside of the front panel, lining up the holes. There are 4 bolts supplied for this purpose. Place the 2 knobs into position. The barbecue is now ready to be placed into the hole after you have screwed the handle onto the lid. Following this assembly, you may need to cut the hole into the bench top if that hasn't been done already. If it has, you just need to drop this barbecue into the pre-prepared hole or the Heatlie cabinet.